Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2008 Infiniti G35 Journey Edition rear wheel drive. Have a dent right there. Point out all the imperfections. Just serviced it, 145,000 miles. Drives great. Has aftermarket intake, aftermarket exhaust. Sounds excellent. See here on the rear bumper, just trying to point out any little imperfections I can here in the video. I mean, it is a '08. Overall, it's really clean front bumper. Down there, you got a little bit of paint chippage. Go ahead, check out the inside of it. And it is loaded. Black leather, sunroof, backup camera, nav, push button start. Really clean. Let's see here. We have 145,289 miles on it. Has navigation, backup camera. Really nice car for the price. It's quick, sounds great, but if it's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler. You can call us at 228-438-2056, or you could check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know anybody might be interested. Thanks for checking out our video.